Precise Component Manufacturing Limited is one of the UK's fastest growing privately owned manufacturing technology companies.
I'm Nadine Bishop, welcome to our business.
PCML is a subcontract precision engineering manufacturing company. Part of our journey, we've been operating since 2000. We've been working some, obviously, 18 years. We cover a diverse range of different projects, from CNC machining to fabrication to painting to sheet metal, and ultimately it's to offer the customer a complete turnkey solution.
Hello, my name is Lloyd Barber. I'm the duty site manager for PCML, based in Thorney at Bridgeworks. We operate a number of different machinery, ranging from the largest, which is the HAS9, to the 7, down through to manual mills.
I'm Daniel Bax, I'm the new Product Introduction Manager for Precise Component Manufacture. This is the Innovation Centre, where we actually take our modular pieces machined in our machine shops and we bring them all together to be one complete unit, or one modular assembly.
PCML is a precision engineering business, and over the last 2 years I've seen that increase, but also the amount of services we offer as well, additional to that machining part. So we now assemble, we play a part in sheet metal, welding and fabrication and painting services as well.
Today we're in the fourth industrial revolution. Fourth industrial revolution, it's all about robotics, the Internet of Things, and we here at PCML believe IT to be a true business enabler. And so our drive towards servitisation is to give the customer the complete solution in as short as lead time as possible.
PCML's long-term vision is to achieve servitization. Servitization evolves the relationship between the client and supplier from a focus on making parts to delivering a full range of manufacturing and assembly solutions. Customer interactions change from a one-off purchase to long-term relationships over extended life cycles. PCML's smart innovations provide a framework to follow to improve and expand business through the implementation of lean principles to ensure operating profitability, return on investment, increase shareholder value, but most importantly, ensure customer satisfaction.
And so moving forward, we see more opportunities for acquisition to bolt on further enhancements to our business. And ultimately, it's all about giving the customer what they want when they want it.